If you want to see me unbox and review a slime kit that tells you to lick the slime, then carry on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a unicorn slime kit, so let's get started. So this is what the box looks like on the outside. It says it's a unicorn slime kit, but let's see. So I opened the box. There are these two packages of stuff that will open later. An empty activator bottle. I thought this kit came with the activator. A spoon. Some snow powder to make cloud slime. A mixing / storage containers with lids. A funnel. I wonder what that's for. Well, actually I already know because I'm editing, but I'm just saying what my thoughts were at the time. It comes with some white glue with a unicorn dabbing on it. That's really cute. It comes with some clear glue, a measuring cup, and the instructions. Now time to open the two other bags. So in this bag it had scented oil, but the oil had leaked everywhere and everything smelled like strawberries and it was all oily. So I'm opening the bag, and like I said, it was really oily, so I had to clean it with a tissue. They actually put the borax in a powder to mix with the water, so that explains the empty activator bottle, and also kind of makes sense because the activator might have leaked everywhere. At first I thought these were just rainbow bees, but they actually turned out to be all bees. Candy scent. So since the scent bottles weren't labelled but the packaging was, I removed the label from the packaging and put it on the scent bottle, if that makes sense. Some colouring, clay, some cube things for jelly cube slime, mixing spoons, charms, and in the other bag, blue foam beads, rainbow foam beads, pink foam beads, fruit slices, big rainbow foam beads, similar to the fruit slices but candy slices, green fishbowl beads, rainbow fishbowl beads and blue ones as well, and finally gold fishbowl beads. There were also some playing tools to play with the slime, and there's this other small bag that contained the unicorn skin / the glitter. In the instructions there was a checklist, so I was just making sure that I had everything. The first step was to make the activator, so I read the instructions and got everything I needed to make it. First, pour the borax into the measuring cup. The next step was to add warm water to the borax and stir until the borax was fully dissolved. Now we need to use the funnel and put it in the bottle and pour the borax in, so that's what the funnel was used for. I don't think I stirred it properly though, because not all the borax dissolved and there was a lot left at the bottom of the cup. I shake the bottle just to make sure all the borax was mixed in. So I was looking through the instructions and I found this recipe for the cream slime. It says you should lick the slime. I think it just meant like knead it, but I hope people using this kit are old enough to know what it means, because that could be dangerous. Anyways, I decided I wanted to make a clear slime. I started to try to pour the glue in, but as you can see it wasn't working because there's this metal thingy blocking it, so I had to like take that off. Then I poured in some glue once it was finally off, and rainbow! Adding some water. And I mixed that all together, but I think the water still had remnants of borax because it started activating straight away. Oops. I tried playing with it, but it was way too sticky. And I ended up with this huge mess that took forever to clean. In the end, I came out with this over-activated slime. I really wanted a good clear slime, so I tried to make another, but it still turned out over-activated. Eventually I gave up with the clear slime and I made this awesome butter slime. It spread so smooth, like just really smooth. And rainbow again. I decided to see what would happen if I mixed the clear and butter slime, and I got properties of both slimes, so it was like pokey but it was also really stretchy and smooth, and also made a bigger slime, so yay. I decided to add some unicorn skin / glitter to just give it some more sparkle. Well guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more, then make sure to check out the videos on the screen right now. Don't forget to go to the discussion part of my channel and answer the questions there. And if you want to shout out, then make sure to comment down a joke down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!